What is up, y'all? And welcome back to Qui Nichelle. We're on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, okay. So, of course, it's breakfast time. I'm up earlier on today, which is good. I got a couple of videos I plan to get done today, so I got an earlier start. Right now it is 7:50, so that's real good, and I should have good timing today. Before we get into the video, make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. So, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm eating this morning. I got 2 scrambled eggs and 3 pieces of turkey bacon, and then a bowl of strawberries. And then I'm just drinking plain water this morning. So I'm gonna eat this, get my workout in, and then like I said, I plan to do y'all like a style video, and I had to edit 2 other videos that I already done. So I'm gonna do that right after I eat and then do my workout. So that's the plan for today. I'll be back. I'm gonna try to eat lunch today because y'all, on the days that I have not eaten lunch, I felt kind of sick up until I end up, eating dinner or whatever. Now I did have a little snack, I guess, right before dinner or something like that, but it's still, my stomach was hurting closer to that time, but I wasn't actually hungry because one, I was getting up real late. So if I eat at 11, I'm probably not gonna be hungry at 2. Not all the time am I hungry, or whatever. So I try to have dinner cooking or either done by the time baby gets home, and I haven't been doing that lately. But anyway, today it looks like we got a good head start. So I should be able to eat lunch today, and I should be hungry by, 12 or 2 or something like that, because I'm up earlier today. But anyway, y'all, I'll see y'all in the workout.
Tell me how I had seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave, you miss. I said, dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo, baby. Now, so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. We just one, 2 step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yeah. You're trying to leave. How I love to keep you here with me, yo, baby. I think I'll say, yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yeah. You're trying How I love you, keep you here with me, your baby. I wanna be where you are.
Okay, y'all, so it is, let me work the camera. Okay, I think that's better. It is my lunch, and I got a turkey and salami wrap, and I cut up an apple, and I'm drinking water. So it's just that simple. And in case y'all didn't know, I do not eat lettuce. And then this is a spinach wrap. And also lettuce has no nutritional value in the first place. But so this is just mayo, turkey, and salami. And then, like I said, I cut up an apple, and I'm gonna drink some water. So it's just that simple. And y'all, I am putting some outfits together because I know what y'all really like is like the styles and all that stuff like that. Also, I should be getting another package from my Shein order, and then hopefully this week everything else comes. My package came in about 4 different shipments, because 2 of the items was on like a quick ship, or 3 of the items was on a quick ship, and those 3 have come separately, and then the bulk of the rest of the stuff is in one order, and hopefully that comes this week. But I know one item is getting delivered today, and I think I'm gonna show y'all everything in one video instead of like piecing it out. But yeah, that's just what's going on right now. So I'm about to eat this, and then I'm gonna go put some looks together, and yeah. So I'll see y'all after a while. It's dinner time, which is early today. It is almost 6:30, but dinner was real simple. I'm having chili dogs, and then the rest of this. And earlier I ate 2 sugar-free popsicles earlier, and I ate that after lunch, but I didn't record it because it really wasn't nothing to record. But I ate 2 sugar-free popsicles, and now I'm eating dinner at 6. It's gonna be 6:30, and I'm about to watch my show, y'all. So this was again good day. I had a good workout earlier, and yeah. So make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. So yeah, I guess that wraps it up. Honey, we are out.
Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet.